Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can possibly turn your Temu credit into cash. So let's get right into it. Now, if I go over into the support FAQ and if I go to the Temu credit section, as you'll see, your credit balance can only be used to make purchases on Temu and you will not be able to redeem your credit balance into cash. This is just Temu's policy. They do not allow withdrawals of your credit into cash, possibly because it requires a lot more legal stuff, depending on the region, depending on the country, so that everything is up to the legal code. So it is currently not an option at the moment. Now, your credits will not expire and you can use them for purchase on Temu, but that is pretty much it. However, there might be a way in which you might be able to do this. If you go into support and go into chat with Temu or just contact their support in any way, you might be able to talk to them if it was a fraudulent purchase or if you lost money and somebody just paid for your store credit or something. If you had any accident, if it was illegal, then you might be able to work with them. Of course, contact your bank first if that is the case, but you can also try and work with Temu and they might be able to give you a refund on your store credit if you can. However, that might or probably won't be possible, so it is what it is at the current moment. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.